Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
If you're watching this video, you probably have a sweet pair of Bluetooth headphones. And everyone's favorite on-the-go console, the Nintendo Switch. If I'm right, you're probably even wishing they'd work together. This is GENKI, and it's about to make that wish come true. GENKI simply brings Bluetooth audio to the Nintendo Switch. Not convinced? Let me give you 3 more reasons. First off, it's designed just for the Switch. Check out how it works. And just like that, you've got an upgraded Nintendo Switch. Press a button and you're listening to the sweet tunes of Mario on your favorite Bluetooth headphones. Whether you're just chilling at home, slaying moblins, or making your daily commute through New Donk City, or even just killing time at work jumping between barrels. Hey, we won't judge. It's even designed to look like your Joy-Cons, so you know it's good quality. Secondly, GENKI lets you pair up to 2 headsets so you can share the fun. Just pair a second headphone like you did with the first. And you can throw banana peels at that friend you've been secretly checking out. Or play another round of tennis with that colleague whose name you always seem to forget. And finally, even defeat that hairy Canadian with the Pro Controller. And third, we put some serious tech for you to geek out on. Check out this sweet rendering our designer made. GENKI uses very low power through the USB-C port without ever needing a charge. The latest Bluetooth is compatible with all your audio devices at a range further than you'll ever need. We've licensed the best audio codecs so you won't have to ever worry about lag. You can even pair a better speaker, so go ahead and host that rooftop party, or at least impress your friends with a full-on cardboard concert. With our dock adapter, you can continue playing late into the night without disturbing others at home. Or not.
From the creators of the Tiny One comes the TinyMOS Nano 1, the world's tiniest astronomy camera that captures images that are out of this world. Imagine the light from a billion stars captured in the palm of your hand, or the moon, up close and personal.
In 2016, we introduced the Tiny One, the world's smallest astronomy camera to let you capture the beauty of the night sky. The Tiny One captured the imagination of the world and brought astrophotography to everyone. This year, we are releasing the Nano One, the world's smallest astronomy camera made smaller. The Nano One builds on the best part of the Tiny One camera to let you capture the beauty of the night sky in a small and compact form factor. We put in an augmented reality star map to guide you across the stars and galaxies. Automatic capture presets let you capture the beauty of the night skies effortlessly. Wireless capture and share allows you to share your images on social media seamlessly.
The Nano One uses patented noise reduction technologies, and our dual lens mount system allows you to use smaller M12 lenses for portability and professional C-mount lenses.
Imagine a world where there's no trace of man's dust or dirt filling the night skies, where we could lose ourselves looking up at the galaxy instead of looking down at a screen, where we wake up from the imitation of reality, no longer just watching the galaxy boxed in four corners, or featuring soap bubbles as imaginary planets, or even just doodling your imagination as a child. Capture the beauty of the night.
Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure.
This is the world's most secure backpack. It's built to protect your valuables when you're carrying them and when you can't have an eye on them. I'm Don from LOCTOTE. It all started 3 years ago after having my stuff stolen off the beach. I tried to find an anti-theft bag to prevent this from ever happening again, but they all sucked. They were ugly, made with poor quality, and really didn't provide any security at all. So, I created my own, and thus the Flak Sack was born. It smashed crowdfunding records. We sold over 50,000 of them, and it even got us an appearance on ABC's Shark Tank. Since then, we've been putting our bags through a lot of extreme tests, and we took the lessons learned, along with feedback from our customers, to create the next breakthrough in anti-theft backpacks. Introducing LOCTOTE Cinch Pack, the world's most secure backpack. It's a practical, straight up and to the point daily carry backpack that's built with all the worry-free security features you've come to expect from LOCTOTE. No electronic gadgets to fail or gimmicky doodads. Well, okay, maybe one. Just a tough-wearing, good-looking, simple, secure bag that works and will continue to work for years. Elegant in its simplicity and unapologetic in its brutal effectiveness. It's a cinch to carry and super secure because the bag's own weight keeps it tightly closed. No top zipper for thieves to exploit. The whole bag is covered with a proprietary slash-resistant fabric to prevent thieves from slashing through. With its built-in steel-reinforced lock strap, it can be clipped for quick security or locked when you need to leave it unattended. Cinch it, lock it, leave it. Enjoy whatever you're doing, and come back for it when you're done. The Cinch Pack has a deep main compartment with 22 liters carrying capacity, a padded laptop sleeve, and a fleece-lined, water-resistant RFID blocking interior pocket. The exterior features one hidden, easy-access zipper pocket, so you can get to important items such as passports or credit cards quickly, and a couple of multi-purpose water bottle pockets. If you're like most people, the stuff you carry in a backpack is too valuable to carry in a typical backpack. Whether you're commuting to work or school, traveling to an unknown place, or just lost in the crowd, the Cinch Pack has your back.
Every day around the world, over 12 million people travel by plane. Sleep deprivation is the #1 complaint amongst travellers, resulting in over 3 million hours of lost sleep. Here at Trtl, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Trtl Pillow Plus, the world's first fully adjustable travel pillow, which will guarantee height adjustable, breathable, customised comfort. Travel and sleep are in our DNA here at Trtl, and we've been busy pioneering sleep solutions since 2013.
As an engineer, I've always been obsessed with solving problems. And as an avid traveller, I hated spending so much of my time catching up on sleep when I should have been busy sightseeing.
And the result is the Trtl Pillow Plus. So now, thanks to the Trtl Pillow Plus, you can enjoy customised comfort and an unprecedented level of support for your head and neck. Using the new twisty toggles, you can adjust the height of the pillow in the front and back, and with over 80 different configurations, you'll be able to find the perfect position to suit your individual neck size and sleeping style. Encased in the super soft microfleece, a plush foam padding cradles your head to provide maximum comfort. And thanks to the new breathable mesh fabric, you'll be able to regulate your temperature and say goodbye to hot and sweaty journeys and hello to a truly first-class travel experience. This is a pillow that's been designed by you for you, and will guarantee you get the best possible sleep while you travel, so that you can arrive fully refreshed and be awake for the moments that matter the most.
We can't wait to share it with you and look forward to welcoming you on board
Our global community of travellers, go-getters and adventure seekers, as we continue to push the boundaries in travel innovation and take napping to new heights. Back us today and join the sleep revolution.
The Nomad Lane Bento Bag is extremely easy to pack. It opens down the middle exactly like a suitcase, so you can fit in all your flight essentials. Each side has a zip-around divider to keep things in place. It also has a padded sleeve to keep your laptop protected, and a pocket for magazines. The left side includes a mesh zipper pocket for a pair of shoes or other flight essentials. The front pocket includes compartments for your most essential possessions, including your phone, passport, headphones, and cash. This section also includes a snap hook for your keys, so you never have to dig through your bag for them again. We also added an accessory loop for your water bottle. And the back of the bag includes a sleeve that slips onto your carry-on, and another secret pocket for documents.
The Nomad Lane Bento Bag makes going through the airport a breeze. Easy access compartments ensure that you can pull out your liquids and laptop as you go through security, and no more stink eye from the person behind you in line. The top access zipper allows you to easily grab a snack or a jacket. Gone are the days of a black hole bag. The Bento Bag is made with ultra durable fine weave nylon, so it's easy to clean. The material also makes the bag flexible so it can accommodate as much as you need.